jewelry store on the ship let me borrow this beautiful pearl necklace. They also loaned me a jewelry bag. I'm just going to put the necklace into the jewelry bag. Wait a minute. It's gone. Where did it go? I'm just a kid. I can't afford a pearl necklace. Maybe my Carnival magical gift bag can help. Ooh. A box of money. That can help. Another box of money. That's getting me pretty close. I think I have enough if I add this box to it. Wait a minute. Now, I think I have enough, but I think the jewelry people might be mad if they don't get their pearl necklace back. So maybe that.
Yay.